Good morning. So today we're going to be working on a laptop that apparently needs a new battery. Or does it? Let's find out. So here we have the laptop that the customer brought in. Let's have a quick look, see what the model number is. It's an EliteBook 850. It's quite heavy. Okay, so let's see if it powers up. Okay, dead. Let's plug the charger in. Okay, so there's the charging light there. So we're getting a charge. Let's try again. Okay, and it's coming on. Okay, so I'm just going to try and get into the BIOS with the F10 key. And I'm going to run the don't know if you can see this, but there we go. I'm just going to get into the system diagnostics to see if I can get a status for the battery. And it doesn't have one. Has memory test, hard drive check, language, and exit. So, okay. What about under advanced, if there's anything to do with the battery here? No. Nothing there. No, I can't see anything here to do with the battery. So okay. So 1 second, I'm just going to pause the video because I have the password on my phone. Okay, so I've got the password. Okay, so according to the charging indicator, the battery is 99% full, but it didn't power on earlier. So I'm going to lift that up so you can see it. So you can see here, 99%. So if the battery was healthy and there were no other faults, then it should have come on when I pressed the power without the charger, and it didn't. So that's a little bit suspect. So what I'm going to do now is just pull the power lead out and see what happens if the battery keeps the laptop on or not. There we go. Bosh, dies. Okay, so that could be a bad battery, or it could be a problem with the motherboard. Let's start by opening it up and taking a look inside. Oh, lovely. This is what I like, a nice release catch. So that's unlocked, and that should slide off. There we go. And there's the battery. Okay. There's a screw here. Let's get rid of that. Okay, it's a Torx screwdriver. Any other screws? Got the lock there. It's broken off by the looks of it. Should be another lock mechanism here, and that's gone. I don't know if that's in the lock or the unlock state. Okay, that's unlocked now. Let's see what else is holding this thing down. Ah, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Well, straight away I can tell that's not a genuine battery. That's a knockoff Chinese thing. Cheap and cheerful. That even feels weak. So I did order a battery just to be on the safe side. So I think the simplest way to start this is just put this new battery in, and we take it from there. If it stays on, then it was definitely the battery. Now I only order genuine batteries when possible. There are, like MacBooks, it's not possible, but there you go. This is the code for the battery. It's a CM03XL. This is a genuine HP battery, brand new. Yeah, so I'll pop that in. Okay, lovely. Lock that down, lock that down. And pop that screw back in. Just going to see if this will switch on without putting the charger in. Nothing. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so let me plug the charger in. Okay. So we've got the charging light now, and it's amber or orange this time, which would indicate the battery's not fully charged. So So just going to power that up, see what happens. I think there's more here than meets the eye. I'm always a bit suspect when I get a laptop in on the premise that it's the battery. So okay. All right. Let's log in. I'm just going to check what the charge is. Okay, 0%. Now that's bad. And I'll tell you why that's bad, because when you have a lithium ion battery, it should be stored with 50% charged. If it stays at 0% like this one, I don't know if you can see that. Sorry. There you go, it's saying it's got 0 charging. So I'm hoping it will charge up. It's obviously been sitting in the warehouse forever and it's had no charge. And that's a bad idea because the battery can lock out. So hopefully that will jump up to 1%. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop the video here and I'll come back when it hits 1%. If it hits 1%. If it doesn't, we're going to go in a different direction. I'll be right back once I get that charging a little. See you in a bit. Okay, hi, I'm back. It's been charging for about 3 or 4 minutes now, and you can see it's gone up to 5%, so that's a good sign. So now I'm going to do the test. I'm going to pull the power cable out and hope the laptop stays on. If it does, it's pretty much job done. But let's see. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, it wants to sleep, but let's plug that in quickly. Alright, so that was just a warning that because it's 5% still, Windows is warning me that, you know, the battery's very low and it's going to send the laptop into hibernation or standby. So that's fine, that's quite normal. So, yeah. So that was it. It's just really a battery replacement. Let's zoom out again. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut down the laptop, let the battery fully charge, and then I'll run the battery down until it gets to really low, 1%, or I'll turn off the standby to achieve that. So I'll let it run down and then recharge it again. That will allow me to test it and see how much time I get out of it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change the battery on an EliteBook. And what was the model number again? Yeah, EliteBook 850. Well, nice short video for a change. I hope you enjoyed, and remember, please do like and subscribe because it lets me know it's worth doing these videos, and they will improve. I've got some good jobs coming in which are going to need some board repair hopefully soon as well, so I'll rig up the scope and try and get those on camera for you. Overall, have a good, happy weekend. God bless you all and take care. Bye for now.